Hello everybody, I'm Caden.
I'm Lindsay.
And we're Adventures of a Stormtrooper. And today we are here for the Purple Up oh crap, I want to say military, but it's not military, it's something. I know it's Purple Up.
Purple Up Day.
Yeah, Purple Up Day Camp. And it is a special event that for April is the month of military children. And the Wisconsin National Guard Children and Youth are partnering with A&A All the Way Foundation, Aaron Jones, Green Bay Packer running back organization to host a celebration for military-connected youth. So that's why we're here today at the beautiful Lambeau Field, which it's slightly less beautiful because it's slightly under construction because they're upgrading the Jumbotron. But we will be in the Johnsonville tailgate zone today. It's a little rainy today, but we will not melt because we'll be inside. And we're excited. It's a booth event, so the car is packed and full. And we've got 12 people coming today, character-wise. We're excited. So let's get our adventure started. Well, we're on our way to Lambeau for the Purple Up event. And we have filled the Prius to the max with all the booth stuff that we needed to bring with. Thankfully, we are not responsible for bringing all the booth stuff. We have another member that's bringing the other half. Otherwise, we would have ended up bringing 2 cars. We fit a lot in our Prius, but it was a real Jenga match today. We've made Prius owners proud. Even Chewbacca has to sit on my lap. And I had to sit, like, my knees are touching the dashboard. In every inch of space we claimed, except for building up. We could have stacked up if we really needed to. But it should be fun. It's also raining, so unloading should be fantastically fun. Thank you, April. So where the Purple Up event is actually, that's Lambeau Field there, and we're going to, if you can see past Freddy, our Porg there, is the tailgate zone, Johnsonville tailgate zone. It's the parking lot tailgate area that the Packers have, so if you don't have a ticket to the game, you can still watch it in the parking lot at the game. So that's where we're going to be. The reason it is so busy today is that the Lambeau Field is right across from the Rush Center, and the circus just happens to be in town. We can't even make this stuff up. So we're now having to find parking. Fun. So this is what the inside of the Johnsonville tailgate zone looks like, and that's where we're going to be today. And Lindsay's over there. We're starting to lay out the booth. Lindsay, wave hi to us. So now we're going to get some time lapse of us setting up the booth. Alright, so not a fancy changing area for Chewbacca today. I've decided to make myself a little zone behind the backdrops to change. Everybody else is going to change in the trailer, but Chew's not going to fit in there. So I'm gonna change back here, but this is what the front looks like. I think it looks pretty good. What do you think? Look good?
Looks really good, yeah.
Alright, I think it'll do great. Not lots of space, we just gotta hide Wicket now. That's our game that we're gonna play with Chewbacca in here. So the game that we've made is can you find Wicket in the backdrop? And then we've hidden a little character of Wicket in the indoor backdrop. We'll give you a few seconds. And then we hid him. He's just a little sticker and we put him down in the corner down here. And I think he looks great. The little sticker was separate from the backdrop. The backdrop is just a generic Amazon one. And then this is the one we've used in the past. But upgrading because we had much more space this time. And then we've got our beautiful booth. And then we have all our stuff. These are the prizes you win when you find Wicket. We've got coloring sheets and cards and brochures. We're very excited to share with everybody. And Mom. Fish and shoot, Mom.
I don't want it on me. And it's running then? Oh. You'll have to edit it then. No. Stop it, Chewie. He said to stop it.
You guys can take a couple cards. Tattoos. Water tattoos, you can take them, put them on when it gets a little warmer out.
Try those helmets on. I want this.
Yeah, this is the one you want. You want to do one?
I didn't give me that.
Chewie. Okay, Chewie. You want something else on there? Oh, you gotta decorate your fingernails, huh? Okay. There you go. Yeah, they're cracked. Dirty. There you go. Okay. Stick it up there then? That's too bad. It's only a few minutes. Take it from the stormtrooper. Let the Wookiee win. Oh.
Alright, I need to learn what gaga is. I don't know what it is. I go first?
Oh! Yep.
Daniela, they're playing a game. You gotta give me some horse training.
Oh. There you go, Chewy.
It's a little colder than I thought it would be.
You should be taking the escalators. There's an elevator over there. Like, please, I've been taking escalators for 15 years.
I got this.
Fur's gonna be no problem.
Okay, everybody. Well, we did it. We survived the booth event. We were there for 5.5 hours. We met Aaron Jones. That'll be a lifelong Wookiee memory. I had a little boy steal my heart. His name is Winston, and my heart goes out to him. He will forever be my little friend. And this is the first troop that I have teared up in my mask. It is very blessed to have met these children today, and I am so happy that I could do something to make a little bit of difference for them, or just give them some smiles. So thanks for following along today on our Purple Up adventure. Bye.
Bye.